Well, thanks again for tuning in as we are chugging along here through the work week into the Easter weekend. Temperatures are on the rise, upper 80s, lower 90s, and let's really dive into that Easter forecast, shall we? As we have that's a carrot meter, and I would say that on Sunday it's between exactly average and excellent. I'll stay with the day job here. 90 degrees, sun and clouds and breezy. It's basically going to be hot with some wind. The reason for the heat, high pressure at the mid and upper levels of the atmosphere right on top of us coming in from the Gulf. And with that high pressure at the mid and upper levels, the air is sinking, it's compressing, and when that happens, the molecules bump up against each other and it cranks up the heat. So we're going to have that for the weekend. Lower to middle 80s for Babcock Ranch, Lehigh Acres towards Punta Gorda right now. If you notice some specks of blue, and I'm sure you've heard me say this from time to time over the past few months, that's smoke, not rain. And in fact, it's been so dry as of late, when I've seen those blips of blue on radar, it's been smoke and unfortunately not rain to help us out with our drought. The front is right now passing by most of the state. You can see behind it in the upper levels a lot of dry air, and that is why we have that blue sky. So here's the forecast. A very pleasant evening if you're going to be taking the dogs out for a walk. 70s dropping off into the 60s. It's going to be cool inland thanks to the response from the front. 55 Arcadia, 57 for Punta Gorda, 63 for Bonita. Boaters, the wave heights look good tomorrow morning, 1 to 2 feet, and then 2 to 3 by the afternoon. Light chop with a water temperature at 76. So here's our future track model, and I really would say 95% of the area is going to be sunny. It's going to be dry. I've had a few models showing 1 or 2 showers for inland Collier County, but nothing too significant. Now, everybody's going to feel the heat from Ave Maria at 90 to 91 for Orange Tree. The normal high is 85, so we are going to be about 4 to 6 above normal from Port Charlotte, Harbor Heights, and extending towards Rotunda. So you saw the lack of rain for tomorrow. It's because dew points in the 40s and 50s, but we try to bump that up just a little as we hit next week, and consequently, not big opportunities for rain, but just enough to try to squeeze out a couple hundredths of an inch. But our future track model, not very impressed, and that's even if you see the rain over the next 7 days. So we're almost to rainy season. We have a few weeks coming up, but in the meantime, hot and dry, breezy for Saturday and Sunday, 90 degrees by Monday, and we will keep it near 90 for all of next week. And as noted, just a few limited opportunities for rain.
All right.